Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia and still warm in here, so I've got the fan going. I hope that's okay. I can't sit in here without it on because it's just too hot. So, and even though it is in the morning time, it's still warm, but at the weekend we're supposed to be going to actually get a little bit of wintry weather, so that'll be good, won't it? Okay, so now I've got a parcel to open, and I cut this outside bit, and I'm gonna, this is from the USA, and it's from Joyce Boring, and she lives in the USA, in, I don't know how it's pronounced where it is, so, but anyway, so this is from Joyce, and this is beautiful paper. I love the paper, I love the paper. Paper. Oh wow, oh this is cool. Oh, look at that, look at she did, oh look at she done. Love this idea. Oh dear, I used to think these things were crocheted around it, and oh look at that, just papers. I did one once, I sent it to Debbie Vignola, I crocheted around the outside of something. Isn't that cool? Oh I love that. Oh I do love that, Joyce, that's very nice, thank you so much. Oh, look here. Let's see look at this. Look at the parcel. Oh, that's inspiration if I've ever seen it. Look at that. It's a fairly heavy plastic that she's done it onto, and she's put this really nice piece of paper at the top to the flip up and down thing, and crocheted this nice flower and put these lovely bits of ribbon on that, and crocheted all around the edge of it. Isn't that good? Oh, I love that. Thank you. I've got a little note here. This is from Joyce Boring, and she lives in, I don't know how to say the name of the place, in the USA, okay? So that's her details on the back of there, but look at this. She's crocheted around this LATC too. Always know in your heart that you are far bigger than anything that ever happened to you. That you are far bigger than anything that can happen to you. Yes, that's right. We should not be upset, should we? Thank you so much. Isn't that lovely? Look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, she must send me a piece of paper. Oh, no, hang on. It's a little letter. Hang on a sec. Congratulations on your 5 years. I just recently found you. I'm enjoying watching all your past videos. Your fabric is from, this fabric is from the 1990s. Vintage, right? I like to sew, crochet and make journals. I look forward to more videos. Your new best friend, Joyce. Thank you so much, Joyce. This is so nice of you. And these are from the 90s, and this is really cool, isn't it? Nice. I do love the feel. Oh, the feel of this is really neat, isn't it? It's so shiny. It feels, you can hear it, listen. Yeah, you can hear it. I do love the colours too. Oh, that is so good. Thank you so much. I do love that. That's going to make awesome flowers, or even, a bit on the page. And here Joyce has done this part here, which she's got a piece of tea-dyed paper, and she's done a bit of, I've been working on journaling too. I really am keen to do a bit of that, so that's what I've been doing, and I will get back and show you it and get some things done soon, I promise. I feel so bad because I haven't done any videos, but the weather's just getting the better of me after a while and things, so we'll be right. We'll stop grizzling about it anyway, surely, and get on with it, okay? Now this parcel smells so beautiful. It really does. It's so nice, and oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that. Oh, I do love that. Oh dear. This is just like how the patterns that they use for crewel embroidery, these sort of patterns. You know, the flowers that go like this and that, and I really, really do love crewel embroidery. I'm a big fan of that. They do that with wool, with thin wool, that they stitch that with, and it's really nice, and I do love this. Joyce, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I really do like that. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Thank you so much. Beautiful piece of fabric. Absolutely lovely. Thank you so much. I do love that, thank you, and I do love all the trouble you've gone to do this for me. I do really like this. Look at that, all that crochet around there. I do like to do things like this too, It looks so good. Remember the baskets or little boxes they used to make, and they stitched them all together with They were plastic and paper, and they stitched them all together and like they would that there. That's cool. I do like that, Joyce. I really do. Thank you so much, darling, for entering in my competition, and thank you everybody for watching, and everybody have a good day. So we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.